begin to.
You guys, welcome back to this week's video. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. And today, as you can see from the title, we are doing what I ate in a week for dinner, that is. So I'm going to just show you the simple things that I eat normally most of the times during supper. So I hope, if you haven't subscribed, please remember to subscribe down below. If you're new here, remember to just comment something, tell me you're a new subscriber, and I'm going to read all those comments and reply back to them. So I hope you're going to enjoy this video, and thank you so much for always coming back. So let's get to the video. Okay, let's go now. So guys, this is day one of what I eat for dinner or supper, the way you just want to call it. So today I am having some potatoes, some cabbage. I just cooked them together. Then I have small soup right there, and then I am having them with some chapati. So today I came back to the house earlier, so I decided, let me just make some chapos. So I'm having potatoes and some chapos, and definitely I have my mug over here with some pineapple juice. So yeah, so that's supper day one. So guys, day two of the vlog, and this is my dinner today. Some wedge potatoes and some chocolates. So apparently today I took my lunch so late, like at around 4, and now right now is around 7:40 to inaelekea 8. So I'm still full, so I just decided to prepare some potatoes. And these potatoes, I just mixed some wheat flour, salt, and some garlic, yeah, and then I just dipped the cut potatoes, and then I nikaiweka kwa moto. So yeah, this is what I'm having because I'm feeling full. So, and you have to at least have something, so this is what I'm having. And trust you me guys, this one lasts me through the whole night till morning, so don't worry. So yeah, this is my dinner for today, day 2. So guys, this is day 3, and today for supper we are having some rice, some cabbage, and 1 egg. So I'm not sure which combination is this, but yeah, that's what we are having. Then I'm going to prepare some chocolate, hot chocolate, to just drink. I love drinking some hot chocolate at night. So yeah, this is day 3 supper. So guys, this is day 4 na leo ni ile siku. We are taking ugali, some greens, and my favorite, which is avocado on the side. So yeah, this is what I'm going to have for supper today, day 4, and I'll be good to go. So guys, this is day 5 of the vlog, And today is just simple. We're having some rice. I cooked them together with some potatoes, some waru, and then I have my avocado. As you know, avocado is bay, by the way, so I have my avocado on the side. Then finally some pineapple juice on the side. So this is just some simple dinner for today. Guys, you are still on. So this is day 6 of the vlog, day 6, and today we are having the rice from yesterday, some left rice and meat on the side, plus definitely my pineapple juice. I know I know they've said that juice is not that healthy, but yeah, I'm trying to avoid taking juice all the time. So this is day 6 of my dinner. So guys, this is the last day of the vlog. This is day 7, and today I'm having some fries and the leftover meat from yesterday night. Yeah, so, and by the way, these fries I just prepared myself. So yeah, this is what I'm having for dinner, day 7. So yeah, we are finally done. So thank you so much for watching this week's video. I hope to see you on my next one. Bye.